Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to run Internet Explorer inside your Chrome browser. This is incredibly useful if you need to access older websites or web applications that only work properly in Internet Explorer, but you don't want to leave the convenience of Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open Chrome's main menu. This menu gives you access to all of Chrome's important features and settings. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. When you hover over it, a submenu will appear with additional options related to managing your browser extensions. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can browse and install add-ons that enhance your browser's functionality. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, look at the top of the page where you'll find a search tab. Click on the search field and type IE tab into it. This extension is specifically designed to run Internet Explorer directly within Chrome, making it the perfect solution for compatibility issues with older websites. After you've typed it in, you'll see the IE tab extension appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to open its dedicated page. On the IE tab extension page, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin the installation process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will now download and install the IE tab extension automatically, which should only take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Now that the extension is installed, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser, where you'll see an icon that looks like a puzzle piece. This is the extensions icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu showing all your installed extensions. From this menu, locate and click on IE tab to activate it for the first time. When you click on IE tab, it will automatically download a file named ietabhelper.exe. This is a helper application that enables the extension to run Internet Explorer within Chrome. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder or file browser and click on it to run the installation. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the setup of the helper application. After the helper application is installed, click on the extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome once again. From the drop-down menu, click on IE tab one more time, and that's it. Internet Explorer is now running directly inside your Chrome browser, allowing you to access any website that requires IE without switching browsers entirely. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.